Welcome back, friends, to another Minecraft video. I'm here on Notepad++. As I said in the last episode, I will be going to be working on the loot tables this episode. And by Minecraft video, I mean map making episode 2 of Vanilla Plus Skyland Survival. Alright, so first of all, what are we doing here? First, we're going to have to we're going to be making a loot table. So what we want to do is we want to go pools, colon, and then square bracket. Alright. Then right here we want a curly bracket and rolls. And right now we're actually going to be making the skeleton quest loot table, as you can see right here. Alright, so we got rolls, and then min, let's do 2 rolls minimum, comma, max, 4 rolls maximum. And okay, let's just close that. Alright, now we gotta do comma, and then we wanted to do entries like so, colon, square bracket. For here we're going to do a curly bracket opening. Then we're going to do type item. So then you want a comma, then you want to do name. Okay, Minecraft mob spawner. Because this is one of the ways you can get mob spawners. Comma, weight, I want this to have a weight of 10, and I'll explain that here in a moment. So weight of 10, comma, functions, not how you spell functions, colon, square bracket, functions right here. Set count is what we want this to be. I keep on pressing the wrong button. So set count like so. And then count. Let's see, what do we want the count to be? Let's see, how about 0 for the minimum? That way there's a chance that it'll read nothing. And then max of how about 2? That should do the trick. Can't help but feel I did something wrong here. I did. That's supposed to be okay. Yes, okay. Then closing bracket. There you go. Now, for the second item, let's go ahead and add, there we go. Sorry, I had to do some organization here. I feel like that should actually... don't put that yet. There we go. Now, this is where I was confused. It's not. Oh. All right. This is where I want this next item to be. So because we've already actually typed all this stuff in, I'm actually going to just copy and paste this and then just change the items. So you want to do this. Bam. Now instead of an item here, mob spawner. Let's see, what else do we want to do? I have a notepad on the side with a list of items I want him to drop. This is skeleton. Let's go ahead and make him drop bones. Yeah, bones. Bones. Set count minimum of 8, maximum of 32. And let's set the rarity to this a little bit higher. So let's set this to 15. And that's basically it. Then we're going to copy. Once again. Paste. And what do we want to do for this one? Let's do... I don't want to do arrows because you'll get enough arrows from them. How about gold ingot? Alright, let's set this down to 10. Set this to 4 minimum and 16 maximum. And then let's go ahead and paste another one in here. Let me just scroll down. Alright. This one we're going to do diamond ore. This is going to be a really rare. Diamond ore, like so. And then for this, I'm going to have the weight of 5. Then the count is going to be 0 and 4. And then for this one, I'm going to have obsidian. And this one's going to be, I think I want this to, yeah, let's have this have a weight of 10. Let's do 4 and 12. Scroll down a little bit more. Right, now this is the next bit right here that's a little bit different. This one's going to be a spawn egg, okay? I'm actually just going to copy this directly from right here. This is from the other notepad I have open. It's a spawn egg. The date I'm gonna have to change, and this I'm gonna have to change to skeleton. Let's see. I can't remember what the data value of this is. I think it's 53, and that should be it. Let me just double check. Okay, that closes right there. That should be right there. Okay, and this should be closing at the rolls. Okay, yeah, the entries rather. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to look up make sure this is the right spawn data, and then okay. But before I do that, I'm going to explain the weight. Alright, what the weight is let me just open up Notepad. Alright, what the weight is, it's the weight, that's how you spell weight, weight divided by overall weight. And that's basically tells you what your chances of getting the items are. So let's open up calculator. Bam. Let's take all these. There's 10, 15, 10, that's 25, 5, that's 30, 40, 45. Okay, so we take 45. Alright. Now for the spawn eggs to get 0 to 3, you take 5 divided by 45, and it's 11% chance. Yeah, okay. And then if I take 15, wait, 5 divided by 45 should be, yeah, okay. If I take 15 divided by 45, it's a 33% chance. So, That's how you tell like what percent chance you have without having the function random chance, which I cannot get it to work for the life of me when dealing with chess, because that's what this is going to be. It's going to be considered a chess loot table. And yeah, that's basically it. So you just save it, bam, done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to point it at the screen. I'm going to fix this data number right here. I'm not sure if 53 is skeletons, but it's 53 or 55. I can't remember which. But I'm going to fix that, and then I'm going to write the loot tables for the other 9 mobs, if that makes sense. Anyways, I'm going to write the rest of the loot tables, and I'll catch you guys back in Minecraft to demonstrate the loot tables in action. Okay, guys, now we're in Minecraft. I don't really have a whole lot of time right now, so I'm just gotta show you. All I did, I replaced. First of all, I finished the other 8 loot tables. One thing I did is I removed the slime, the magma cube. But I replaced all of these. I completed all the loot tables, and I replaced all these with special spawn eggs. These are an example of them. So what this will do is when you reach a score of 100, or whatever the requirement for mob kills for that particular mob is, like gas that's 25 instead of 100, when you reach that score, it will / give you the egg. And when you place down the egg, these command blocks right here will actually execute at entity type silverfish name, the name being the name of the quest reward. So in this case, it's the creeper. In this case right here, it's the spider. And what it does is it does a kill at entity type silverfish name creep. And how that gives you this is let me just kind of walk through this real quick. The spawn egg that it gives you when you complete a quest, it's Minecraft spawn egg 150. 50 is the ID number for a it's the damage value for a silverfish spawn egg. It has a name of creeper quest. Yeah, I can't words. Creeper kills quest reward, with the lore of right click the ground to claim. Entity tags are ID silverfish, custom name creep, no AI, silent, death loot table. This is the important bit. Death loot table is quests : quest / creeper quest, and it's in parentheses in quotes. Active effects: ID 14 being invisibility, amplifier 1 not necessary, but I use it anyways. Duration of 20 million. Wow, that was right on spot. Duration of 20 million, which means that it'll be indefinitely invisible, essentially. And show particles 0B, meaning that it will not show particles. And what this does is it spawns a silverfish that when it spawns, this command block will instantly kill it. And because it has a death loot table of the creeper quest loot, it has a death loot table of the creeper quest, it will drop that loot table instead of the normal loot table for a silverfish, which is nothing. So when I right click this, it'll drop things relevant to the creeper quest, like gunpowder. And there you go. Trying to get a spawn egg. I made these spawn eggs pretty rare, didn't I? Oh, there's one. That's something you can get. They're not normally that rare. That was really strange. Anyways, so, yes. Now, you may be wondering why, you've seen that there's 25 mob spawn cages there. You may be wondering why is that really common? And that's because those are going to be used for crafting recipes that are quite expensive later on. But they're expensive because what you get out of it is overpowered. So that's actually all I have time for this episode, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section. Maybe you have something that I could implement that I didn't think of. Let me know. Next episode, I just bonked my mic. My bad. I really did just point at the screen and then hit my mic. Next episode, we will be working on implementing the custom crafting and With the custom crafting, there will be auto crafting that I want to implement for farms, such as iron farms. That way it'll automatically craft your iron ingots into iron blocks as you get them. We will be implementing possibly the XP storage or thing I'm going to be doing, which will actually have something to do with custom enchanting. And what this will allow you to do is basically you can trade these stored XPs, which will be a bottle of enchanting, or maybe emerald that will have the special name 30 levels or something like that, and you can put this in combination with like a book, and it'll, depending on the orientation of the combination, it will give you like a specially enchanted book, like Unbreaking 3 book, Unbreaking 5 even, for more expensive levels. So you can actually get enchanted books that you can't get normally. So that's a thing. I haven't quite just figured out how to implement this storage. I have an idea. I was going to kind of use the same concept for custom crafting, but with your levels instead of items. And yeah, that's it. I'm really looking forward to it. Also, in between episodes, I'm going to set up the custom villager quest, and I'll kind of I'll kind of explain how that works to you beginning of next episode. In the meantime, guys, hope you enjoyed this. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Don't forget to share the video and like it. Or subscribe. My skin is still broken.